Hi guys, my name is Monster. Welcome back for some video. Today we are here making a tutorial of how to make a MMD with the goddamn phone. So if you do not know, MMD is of course for the computer and laptop and stuff, Apple too. So today a lot of people asked me a lot of the other time that I said, hey, how to download MMD, but it was on the computer. So how to make MMD on the goddamn phone. So please go on your Google Play, okay? So the first thing that you gotta do is actually write MMD on search, Google search. And after that it will appear this. The first thing that will appear is this one. You gotta download this, just click install, don't worry about anything. Just click install. A lot of people are thinking right now, but is it just on the phone? Don't worry, my friends. If you have a tablet, you can do it with your tablet too. Okay, right now it's installing this one. Let's go on that one. Okay, right now what you need to do is actually go on this one and say astro. So this is the one. Click here. This is the one. This is the one. Astro. So click install. And we are good to go. So after all of this, it's done, it's downloaded, look at this, open. So right now what you have to do is come here. Okay, after all is installed, like the Astro and then the MMD one, right now you need to have two more things. The motion and the model. So of course it's me. So what am I going to do is actually just search my DeviantArt. You can actually search DeviantArt here, so let me actually... Okay, when you actually open your DeviantArt, whatever you want, even on YouTube you can actually find a model. So what you gotta do is I'm gonna just search up my Nicole Tyler one, of course, who doesn't like my Nicole goddamn Tyler. So right now, if you can see here, you can actually go on information and you can download. So after all of this, you can actually go on YouTube and click, these things and go and write MMD motion download. Okay, after you actually write MMD motion download, you can actually search whatever you want. I'm gonna actually click on this one first. This one here too. So you can actually see what is the motion here, what is happening. So when you are actually looking at the motion and the video, you can actually search here. There you go, DL. Click on Modifier again. Click on Modifier here, and we are good to go. We just need to, wait a little to search, to load Modifier again. There we go. You can actually see. So right now, what you have to do is actually just download this motion. Like, you can download any motion that you want, the motion that you choose. Don't worry guys, it will work. So after you download your model and your goddamn motion, what you have to do is actually go on Astro. As you can see, you're gonna click on this thing, start, give permissions, yes. Okay, so when you are here, you can actually click on SD card, again go on downloads, and you will have the model and the motion. So what you have to do is actually do a file, which I think it's here. Okay, so you gotta click on this thingy here, click there, and then write like MMD, create one. There you go. So what you have to do is actually click on the motion. There we go. You can actually, there we go. There's the actual motion here. So hold down. Okay, so what I did is actually hold down. There's it had a file. Click there to move, and then click on the MMD, and then to paste it here. Okay, I'm back. I actually took a break, and now I have my model on zip. So what you gotta do, click here, hold here, hold on the folder, click in this second one, click here, go on back, click MMD, and then click paste. Paste. So it's gonna do it. Don't worry guys, I already did this. I actually went on break and did this for this model, then I will show you. I'm just gonna do this, but don't worry, it will work in this one too. Okay guys, I'm back, it's already done. So what you have to do here is actually click on the MMD thing that you actually you know, downloaded. So what you're gonna do now, you can actually see, there we go, that's the model for you. That's that's MMD. This is MMD. So what you gotta do now is actually click on this thingy. It will appear load model. The first thing it will appear, load model. So right now it will appear this, a lot of things saying, if you can see, yeah. What you have to do is actually click on storage, click on stay on card 1 or card 0, card 0? Card 0. Click on download, and then you will find the MMD one that you actually made, the paste, the folder with the model and the motion. So click on the MMD, click on Nicole Tyler, your model, and click on this, that is the BMX. So it will appear this. Please work. Oh my god, you can actually zoom in. It's so laggy in this model. Don't worry guys, if you, this tablet is like years and years and years. So if this actually has some difficulties, your new phone or your actual phone will not have any difficulties. So don't worry about it. So what you're gonna do is actually go load motion. Wait. So what you have to do is actually go on load motion. Same thing, storage. SD card 0, download, MMD. Now the motion folder, and you need to upload, well, okay, original. Ta-da! Now what you have to do is actually go on load motion, go now on camera. Now it will have the camera. And now if you have, okay, so there's actually a thing here, load sound. You can actually load sound, but for me, I already saw the music and I love it, so I do not know. Let me show you, but I'm not gonna put a sound because copyright issues. So yeah, so there you go guys, you can actually see right now. I know that you can actually see the red, green, blue thing. So how you actually remove that thing? You can actually click here, click on config, view config, and then remove the axis and ZX plane. Oh my god, there we go. Now you can actually see, you can actually do this, or you can do this. So I'm going to put this like this. So yeah, enjoy. There you go guys, how to make MMDs on your phone and tablets. So if you have a new tablet, don't worry, this will not be a problem. It's gonna be like this. Okay, this is like years and years, so don't worry about it. You can actually change a lot of things. So you can go on config, view config, the things that I did. The light, you can actually change the light, diffuse, specular, light, ambient, and you can actually have the physics. You can actually put physics on if you want to. You can actually have 60 frames per second. So that's neat. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome, guys. Woo!